Foshan Samfull Packaging Machine Company Limited is a high-technology enterprise which is engaged in research, development, production, and marketing of intelligent packaging machine. Our company was founded in 2010, located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province. With its convenient transportation, Guangzhou Airport and Foshan West Bullet Train Station are near us. Our new plant with modern production workshop and elegant office environment, from its inception, we had always adhered to the idea of quality, efficiency, credibility, and practicality to our products' research and production. We have a rich, experienced R&D after-sales and marketing team, which provide customers with desirable packaging solutions and services. So far, we have developed and launched different type of vertical packing machine, horizontal packing machine, extruding packing machine, and different type of customized production line. Our equipment has already widely applied for food industry, beverage industry, chemical industry, hardware industry. As one of the professional packing machine manufacturers, we solved problems of packaging and increased the efficiency of production for customers. With the market spreading over Europe, America, Africa, and Southeast Asia, our products are exported to more than 40 countries and regions all over the world. Our service covered technical consultation before selling, project design, online assist, oversee installation, and long-time guarantee. We sincerely hope to cooperate with you to open up a new intelligent packing industry world.